Is your diesel engine secretly suffering? Are you wasting money on poor fuel mileage and facing crippling repair bills? Today, we reveal the shocking truth and expose the top 5 best diesel fuel additives that actually work. We're unlocking maximum power, eliminating harmful deposits, and slashing maintenance costs for good. This is the ultimate guide to protecting your investment and unleashing your truck's true potential. Forget the rest. These are the only ones you need. Let's dive in. Number 5. Power Service delivers a powerhouse performance with their Diesel Kleen Plus Cetane Boost 6-pack. This universal solution is the ultimate fuel additive for any diesel vehicle, from modern HPCR systems to older engines. It aggressively cleans injectors to eliminate power lag and prevent sticking, ensuring your engine runs at its peak. Most impressively, it boosts cetane by up to 6 numbers for dramatically smoother operation, more power, and significantly faster cold starts. Effective in all diesel fuels, including ULSD and biodiesel blends. This concentrated 64 ounces 6-pack is the smart, economical choice for year-round protection and performance. This is a must-have universal solution for the best diesel maintenance. Number 4. Stanadyne Performance Formula Diesel Fuel Additive is a top contender for the title of Best Diesel Fuel Additive. This powerful 16-ounce formula is a true multitasker for your engine. Its advanced detergents actively clean injectors to restore lost horsepower and improve throttle response. You'll see real savings at the pump with tested fuel economy gains averaging 4% and even higher. It boosts cetane for smoother starts, quieter operation, and more complete combustion, which significantly reduces harmful smoke and particulates. Crucially, its lubricity improvers protect your vital fuel system components from wear, especially with today's ultra-low sulfur diesel, for proven performance, protection, and efficiency. Stanadyne delivers incredible value. Number 3. Opti-Lube XPD is a serious contender for the title of Best Diesel Fuel Additive. And this gallon jug proves it's built for the long haul. This all-season formula is engineered for optimal lubrication, crucial for protecting your engine with today's ultra-low sulfur diesel. It actively cleans injectors and prevents future gunk, which translates to improved fuel economy and enhanced power year-round. The XPD formula also tackles water separation, provides rust prevention, and includes enough anti-gel protection to keep your fuel flowing smoothly down to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. With a single gallon treating up to 512 gallons of fuel, it delivers top-tier performance for your truck or equipment for just pennies per gallon. This is a powerhouse product that truly does it all. Number 2. Archoil AR6400D Diesel Fuel System Cleaner is a game-changer for diesel owners seeking peak performance and protection. This powerful formula rapidly deep cleans injectors, turbos, DPFs, and EGR systems, restoring lost power, improving fuel economy, and ensuring smoother idling. Its proprietary chemistry targets harmful carbon deposits across the entire fuel system, reducing regeneration frequency and preventing costly repairs. 13. One 12-ounce bottle treats 40 gallons, use every 5,000 miles for maintained benefits. 5. Suitable for all diesel engines, including modern high-pressure common rail systems. 1. 4 power stroke users with injector stiction. Pair with AR9100 friction modifier 78. A must-have for optimal efficiency and longevity. Number 1. STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer is the ultimate all-in-one solution for protecting your diesel engine. This powerful additive acts as a formidable shield, preventing sludge and sediment formation while it actively cleans and lubricates your entire fuel system, from injectors to pumps. Its advanced formula reduces oxidation to keep fuel fresh for up to 12 months and features crucial water elimination technology to safeguard against corrosion. Universally compatible with all ULSD and biodiesel blends. This single bottle treats a massive 320 gallons. For unmatched performance and long-term engine care, STA-BIL is the best diesel fuel additive you can buy. In conclusion, finding the best diesel fuel additive is key to protecting your engine and maximizing performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.